At Médica Sur, we continuously upgrade with cutting-edge medical technology to provide the best solutions to our patients. Introducing Velys Hip Navigation, our innovative non-invasive surgical assistance technology designed to ensure greater precision in hip replacement surgery. Providing our specialty surgeons with more accurate, real-time decision-making support. Our Velys Hip Navigation system delivers benefits at every stage of the perioperative process. In the preoperative phase, it offers digital surgical templates that assist in planning hip joint replacement surgeries. It generates a historical case record that optimizes planning with the Velys calendar. Also using interactive icons for the quick review of the case. It supports collaboration between our surgeons and their teams through information exchanging functionality. During the intraoperative process, it analyzes data in real time to aid in decision-making. It analyzes the position, anteversion, and inclination of the acetabular cup for correct implant placement. It also evaluates the offset, leg length, and compensation for the implant size selection and optimal positioning. Its one-trial technology auto-calculates the change to leg length and offset for all implant combinations, providing surgeons with actionable guidance to make decisions about the final implants. During the postoperative phase, it generates a digital case record for doctors and their patients, providing communication tools for seamless surgeon-patient collaboration. It also manages cloud-based cases and does not require additional devices or hardware to operate. All these features are aimed at improving our patients' quality of life thanks to the greater level of information provided, which ensures correct implant placement and results in more precise surgeries with better outcomes by mitigating risks and unpredictable situations in hip arthroplasty. Always at the forefront of innovation for our patients. Médica Sur. Medical excellence, human warmth.